got it going. All right, back at Kinney's Muffler. Got the bad boy done. Oh, that's beautiful. Y'all see it? Perfect, perfect. Got the H pipe going. Ready, all black them out. All right, man, let's hear it. Let's hear it. First start up. Go, y'all. Perfect. Yes. That's what I wanted, gang. Oh, my baby's ready. Yes. Perfect, perfect. I'll let you boy, man. These are actually the new Flowmasters that he put on for me. Perfect. Not a little pop. Perfect. Yes. Kinney's Muffler, y'all. You see it? Come to Mufflers. Come to Kinney's. Come to Kinney's. Come to Kinney's. I'm getting all my mufflers done from here from now on. No cap. I'll stay tuned. Let's go squat up and pay the man. You know what I'm saying? I can dig it. Yeah. Cute. KIPP. What's up? Kinney's. Wow. What's up with it, y'all? Man, they leaving Kinney's Mufflers, man. Won't let y'all hear it. Man, it's super quiet. I'm gonna give y'all the information, what muffler I got, what setup I got going on it for you guys, just in case y'all want to rock with it, whatever. But they did a wonderful job, man. They welded up everything nice, cleaned up all the welds, and they coated them, everything, so they won't be all rusty. Dudes say, man, they got lifetime warranty. They've been doing this, got cars out 20 years that have never been brought back. So lifetime warranty on the labor, so I'm all good. You know, the muffler may eventually go bad, who knows, but I doubt it. I don't even drive the car enough for that. Still had the originals on it, so I'm not even worried about that. So I'm set on that. By the time y'all see it, you know, it'll be all great. It'll be broke in by the time y'all see it. I'm out here giving it hell now, but as soon as I get some clearance on the road, I'm gonna mash this thing and let y'all hear it. But right now, this is loud as it is in the cabin. I'm doing the speed limit, doing 70. I'm not in it yet, but there's a little bit more gas, but as loud as I'm hearing it get, you know, that's perfect for me. You know, outside it kind of give you that vet rumble, you know, real little throaty, not too crazy. I wanted to go with moderate. I didn't want to go aggressive. I'm not into all that stuff. I like mine quiet and stealthy. You know, just go when you go. You know, I mash mine. When I mash, I want to hear it, but to each his own, you know. But as soon as we can get through some of this traffic, always traffic in Dallas, you know that. There it is. There we go, bro. Bump this one. That's about as loud as it go, y'all. For real, loud as it go. This Impala hat, you know it. Go look at it. Go check out the website for real, y'all. www.newtronicsolutions.com. That's NEWTRONIC solutions with an S on the end. Newtronicsolutions.com. And also go to www.bntransportation.com. That's bntransportation.com. Man, all of us, man. Check this out. We'll put you on the road in these trucks, man. Holler at us. Holler at us. We got loads all day, man. Holler at your boy, man. We doing it big. My business partner definitely pick up on the trucking side. Hit me for your IT needs. We doing big things, you know what I'm saying? We coming big. Why not be independent? Be independent. Man, y'all chase y'all goals, man. Chase y'all dreams. Quit working for everybody else and work for yourself, but I'm gonna leave it at that. That's about as loud as it's gonna get. I'm seeing it already, so ain't no need of me sitting here burning my gas up. And it's not even loud. I'm gonna let the window down a little bit, see if we can get a little more sound. There we go. That's all I'm getting, man. That's all I'm getting from the sound, but it definitely sounds great outside. I didn't want that much noise on the inside. I told him I didn't want to hear all that. You know, after the long drives or whatever, man, after an hour, you don't want to hear those pipes. I got pipes on my truck. They're kind of moderate / aggressive, but once you smooth out, it's cool till you stomp on it and you get that rumble. Like I said, I'm pulling this hill now. She sounds like a LT1. Let me get on through and show y'all what this QA1 does for you. Put a QA1 on your shit, man. Put a QA1 on it. That's the handling I have. No sloppy driving, just bad drivers on the road. Yeah, I'm gonna quit all that. I'm just having a little fun today. Y'all drive safe out there, buckle up. Enjoy your ride, man. It ain't how fast you are, it's how clean your wheels, man. That's how I ride. I ain't trying to be the fastest, I'm just trying to be the cleanest. Hey, what's up? You know how I say, it's 4 of them, baby. Y'all gonna ask me one day what 4 of them stand for, and I tell you, but the real no, enlightening no. 4 letters, baby. I'll let you boy. Bad Mr. Newton.